Karma Guy here. I've got an incredible deal on a 2006 Pontiac GTO for you. It's got a clean Carfax report with only 98K miles and an outstanding dealer service history, including recent work valued at over $8,350. This car comes dealer certified pre-owned with a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty and an optional discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Plus, you can ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at purchase. Just a heads up, any price reductions or discounts void the CPO status and warranty, so act fast to secure this amazing offer with all the benefits.